A very good afternoon and Jai Hind to all my dear students. Children, in this module of class 4, we are going to do a practical, which is practical 2 of the second term, which I have taken from chapter 12. The name of the chapter is time. Okay, and today we are going to find out that how we will find the day of the week after a certain period or duration of time or days. So let's see how we can do this practical. So now dear students, we are going to see that how you can do the practical. Okay, so basically in your maths practical file you have two pages. On the right hand side we do write the required things and the objective of the practical and the steps which are required to do the practical, and on the left hand side we show the practical. So let's get started without any delay. Here the aim of the practical is to find the day of the week after a certain time period, and now the things which will be required for the practical are pencil, eraser, ruler, sketch pens, crayons, glue and scissor. Okay, now we will see the practical. Okay, the practical is, if it is a Wednesday today, then what will be the day after 15 days? This is your question. So we will start with a basic logic that if it is 13th of January and Wednesday today, so it is absolutely clear that just after 7 days will be another Wednesday. Okay, and just after 7 days of that Wednesday will be another Wednesday. Okay, so here this 7 becomes very important to find out the day after 15 days. How you will do this? First you will see that is there any multiple of 7 near around 15. Do we have any multiple of 7 near around 15? So yes, we have. We know that 7 2s are 14. Okay, so from here it is clear that the 14th day will be a Wednesday. Okay, that means just after 14th day of 13th of January it is going to be a Wednesday. That means 7 2s are, so just after 2 weeks, okay, the 14th day is going to be a Wednesday, which is 27th of January. How come 27th of January? You will just simply add 13 plus 14 is equals to 27th of January. So now in the question we have to find out after 15 days what will be the day. So if the 14th day is a Wednesday, so automatically the 15th day will be a Thursday and the date will be 28th of January, which is 13 plus 15 is equals to 28th of January. It is going to be a Thursday. Okay, so I hope it is clear to everybody that how we will find out the day of the week just after certain period of time. Okay, so what I have done here, I have just found out the multiple of 7, okay, near around 15. So we got 7 2s are 14. That means just after 7 days of 13 will be a Wednesday, and just after 14 days, which is the period of 2 weeks or a fortnight, will be Wednesday again. Okay, so if the 14th day is a Wednesday, so the 15th day will be a Thursday. So now dear students, what you will do for the practical, on the white page which is the left hand side of your maths practical file, what you will do, you have to write the practical like this. You can decorate it on your own, right, and the year is 2020, and when you already know that it is 13th of January, which is a Wednesday, so with the help of this you are going to make the calendar of January 2021. We already know that there are 31 days. Okay, so starting from 1 till 31 I have arranged the days, okay, sequence wise. Now you can calculate that if it is 13th of January, okay, which is a Wednesday, so as I told you that just after the 2 weeks, okay, which is a period of around 14 days will be the next Wednesday. So you can check from here that it is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14. Just after 14 days we have 27th of January, which is a Wednesday, and then 15th day is 28th of January, which is a Thursday, which we have already found out through a very simple method. So this is all in today's module. We will be meeting in our next module. Till then, take very good care of yours, since the weather is changing a lot. Okay, so good, and Jai Hind everyone.